So why is fasting so good for you, especially if you're a woman over 50? Hey, it's Jill, the health coach, and I am right now on day 2 of my fast, and I'm doing not a true fast, but water and broth, veggie broth, as a matter of fact. And what I'm doing is for lunch, I will have about a cup and a half or so of broth, and then for dinner, I'll have a cup and a half. And in between, I'll have some tea and water, lots and lots of water to flush things out. So why is it beneficial? It's beneficial because A, it decreases inflammation, and it literally can help with weight management because it helps things move, because it gives the body to start removing toxins. And the reason it can do that is because it's all about de-stressing the body. You see, when you're eating, even if you're eating the best diet, the best food that you can have, your body still has to do some work and digest it. So this is about totally giving your body a break. And it's like, now I can get to work, remove some toxins. Toxins are held into place with fat. So once those toxins come out, guess what? The fat comes out too. And it's just so good to give your body a rest. And as a matter of fact, our bodies were meant to fast. We were created that way. Because think about it, way back when they were cavemen, there was not always food available. So we were created to fast for a reason. And so you don't have to fear about that. But at any rate, that's what I'm doing. It's a great hack for me, and it works well for so many people. And let me know what you think. Have a great day. Oh, and yes, I grew up in Buffalo. I'm a Buffalo Bills fan. And today is game day, so go Bills.